When it is time for you to create your page on the New Hampshire Gives website, these are the steps that you are going to follow. So first of all, you're going to open a new tab and you can type in NH Gives. And when you get there, click on New Hampshire Gives. And in the search, you can type Our Place. And when that comes up, you can find the Our Place. You can look at the logo and you'll find you can hit View. And when you are there, you will see this is last year's page. And we're going to be updating all this. But meanwhile, if you want to start your page, you're going to click on Fundraise. And you will fill out your first name, your last name. You can give it a campaign name if you want, but there's no need. It's not attached to anything. They have campaign names in case we have like different teams of fundraisers and they all want to have a campaign name. That's fine. So this is inconsequential. You can put your email and your password. Now, if you did this last year, then you will need to remember your password from last year. And if you forget, you can do the forgot password thing. So next, you will hit Submit. And once you have submitted, you will get an email that looks like this. It says, welcome to New Hampshire Gives, blah, blah, blah. It's going to give you a link that you can share with your friends and families, and you can visit your personal fundraising dashboard here, and you can read more about peer-to-peer fundraising on GiveGab if you click that. So don't lose this email, which I managed to do. So I gave myself a little New Hampshire Gives category over here in my email so that I would not lose this email because it has my link on it. So I'm going to visit my fundraising dashboard. But before I visit my fundraising dashboard, I make sure I have already typed up my story for New Hampshire Gives right here. It's in a Google Doc. And I've also put some pictures that I might want to use on my, what do I want to call it? On my homepage on my computer so I can find them. So I'm going to go to the fundraising dashboard. And when I get there, it has all of this. And I can change my picture if I want, and I can tell my story. So if I hit my Tell My Story button, I can call this the Macintosh Family page, and I can do an image. So I'm going to select an image, and I've already put this on my desktop. And I'm going to select a picture of me and my boys. And I got to center this around. I guess I can make it bigger if I want to include the elephant in the picture. I can do that. And I can apply it. Boom. And now I have my picture of the boys and me at the zoo. And I can set my goal. I'm going to do, I don't know. Okay, I'm going to set mine at $10,000. I know that's a little bit crazy. You can put in a video link. So if you've got a video that you'd like to share from YouTube, you can put it here. And you can put your phone number. And there's mine. And I'm going to go down. And I can put my story in here. So I'm going to cut and paste it. So I'm going to copy my story and go back to this and paste it. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of this little sample sentence they gave me. So when I'm in here, I could change, like I could make these different colors. So I could make it red, and I could make this blue, if I want it to stand out. I can also add some pictures, I believe. So if I wanted to add some more pictures, I could add a picture, choose files, and I could add a picture of Alex if I wanted to. I could shrink it up. Yeah. All right, I can make it smaller. Oh, 50%. Oh no, that made it 50% bigger. Let me try that. 100%. No, I don't want that. I want to make it smaller. There we go. And now I want to move it over here. Move to the right, okay? And then let's say I want to have a picture of Douglas. So I can go here, whoops, open this, have a picture of Douglas, and here's a picture of Douglas skating. And I'm going to click on that and make that 25%. And I'm going to move it, no, over here. And I can I move it down a little bit? Return. I'm going to go, there we go. So, anyway, so you can put pictures in, you can change your text color, you can add links and tables and other things, move and undo things, and then you can change the format. So once you get this together, you have your fundraising page together, and you can if you want to share on Facebook, you can just click the Facebook button or the Twitter button, and it will automatically save it, and then it's going to keep track. So the day of the event, you're going to be able to keep track of all your donations as they come in. So that's the Share Your Story button. And now I want to go back to this, and you can see here that you can make a donation, you can reach out. So if you want to send an email and you want to access all the contacts in your contact list, you can do that. You can share socially on Twitter and Facebook. And what's really important is you can make a thank you message. Oh, I thought you could prepare your thank you. You can't prepare it. Anyway, when you get donors, you're going to be able to send them a thank you. We have a thank you, sort of a generic thank you that's going to go out to everybody who donates to the Our Place page, but you can thank people individually. And that's all there is to making your fundraising page. So good luck with that.